Mommy, look.
Oh, sweetie.
I'm gonna get my ice cream now.
Honey, be careful. Cover your mouth.
Mommy, weren't we gonna get ice cream?
Every time someone coughs, you cover your mouth, sweetie. It's called the coughing disease.
So much people are coughing.
Dude,
Dang, what are you singing?
I'm singing TikTok.
That is so 2020.
Shut up, nerd.
Oh. Oh my god, Sophie, you gave me a fright.
Sorry, I'm hiding in the bathroom.
Have you heard of this coughing disease? Everyone in school is coughing but me, Brittany, and you.
Brittany just started coughing like 5 minutes.
What? What do you mean?
Yeah, she just started coughing.
Oh my god, we need to evacuate. Come on, you're coming with me. Hey Mom, just me and my best friend Sophie.
Hi,
We're gonna stay in the house because everybody is coughing. It's disgusting.